Hey friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I am making a lotus backdrop with no backdrop stand. I hope you guys get some ideas from this video for your next home decor project. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it. The first step is to make the backdrop frames. If you saw my previous video for making a wrinkle-free backdrop, please do check out that video for more detailed steps. Here I made similar frames using foam boards. You can always replace foam boards with cardboards. I added extra support for the frames at the back as shown here. I made 3 frames, each 8 by 2 feet. Next step, I made some paper lotus using gold cardstock paper and X-Acto knife. I attached these paper lotus cutouts to the fabric frames using a glue stick, as I wanted to reuse these cutouts later and easily wash the fabric and fold it away for future use. The third step is to make some floral garlands. Here I made 3 small yellow garlands and tied them to the lotus and made some long pink and white flower garlands. To attach the frames to the walls with no backdrop stand, I am using the painter's tape, or also called masking tape. I attached the lightweight fabric frames to walls using this tape, and you can trust me, this tape will hold very well to the walls and strong. You can easily remove it and no damage will be done to the walls. And finally, to hang the floral garlands, they are a bit heavy. So I am using these invisible, removable wall-safe hooks that will hold my garlands and some mango leaves. Here my beautiful lotus backdrop is ready. and with no backdrop stand. This decor is reusable. I have already reused the lotus cutouts for another decoration at my home. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.